Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open Excel using a shortcut key. First, find your Excel application, usually in the Start menu, and create a desktop shortcut for it. Once you have the shortcut on your desktop, right-click on it. From the context menu that appears, select Properties. This will open a new window with several tabs where we'll set up our custom shortcut. Now that you're in the Properties window, navigate to the Shortcut tab. You'll see a field labeled Shortcut Key. Click your mouse cursor into this field. Then, simply press the key combination you want to use, such as Ctrl plus Alt plus E. Windows will automatically format it for you. After entering your desired shortcut, click Apply and then OK to save these settings. With your shortcut now configured, it's time to try it out. Make sure all Excel windows are closed first to ensure a clean test. Now, simply press your assigned key combination like Ctrl plus Alt plus E at the same time. You should see Excel launch almost instantly, opening a brand new workbook, ready for you to start working. It's a real time saver. When choosing your shortcut, pick a combination that isn't already in use by another application to avoid conflicts. If your shortcut doesn't seem to work right away, a quick computer restart can often resolve the issue. This method is a fantastic way to boost your productivity. Also, for those looking to improve their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.